Welcome back to my channel. This is Shirley, and today I'm bringing you an exotic dish that's sure to impress mutton korma, filled with rich aromas and mouth-watering taste that will transport you to the heart of Hyderabad. A true gem from Hyderabad, known for its rich flavors and aromatic blend of spice. The complex flavors and cooking process can seem daunting, but fear not, I'm here to simplify it for you. To recreate the authentic taste of Hyderabad, you'll need tender mutton pieces to be marinated with some yogurt, some basic spice powders like chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, and salt to taste, and leave this aside to marinate for at least 30 minutes or more. And then I'm going to cook the mutton in a pressure cooker. So I'm going to use ghee or clarified butter. Saute some finely sliced onion for a bit to turn slightly brown and set aside a portion of the onions for later use. And into the pressure cooker, I've added some ginger garlic paste. Now we add the marinated mutton. Allow this to sear for a bit till you find the oil coming onto the surface. This might take a couple of minutes. And once you find the oil setting onto the surface, we're going to add in some water and pressure cook this. Depending on the mutton or the meat you choose to cook, the cooking time will differ. And now we'll make this green masala paste. I'm going to use the onions set aside by adding some green chilies, a few sprigs of mint leaves, some coriander, and some cashew nut pieces. Add a little bit of water to this and grind it into a very smooth paste. In the meanwhile, our mutton is cooked well. It's going to be soft and tender. Now we transfer the cooked mutton to another pan and allow this to simmer on very low flame for a couple of minutes. Then we add the ground masala paste that we made. While it is simmering, I'm going to add some nutmeg and mace powder. Well, these two are the most special ingredients which elevates the dish to a whole new level of deliciousness. Making mutton korma at home is easier than it seems. By following these simple steps and techniques, you can recreate the authentic flavors of Hyderabad in your own kitchen. Trust me, the effort is truly worth it. And if you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more easy and delicious dishes coming your way. Until next time, happy cooking. And yes, do enjoy this mutton korma with some roti, naan, or just some plain basmati rice. Bye, guys. This is Shirley signing off.